number 9, data set X, 5, 9, 9, and 13. Data set Y, 5, 9, 9, 13, and 27. The lists give the values in data sets X and Y. Which statement correctly compares the mean of data set X and the mean of data set Y? Because they're asking us which statement of these 4, we need to read them. The mean of data set X is greater than the mean of data set Y. The mean of data set X is less than the mean of data set Y. The means of data set X and data set Y are equal. There is not enough information to compare the means. The mean is another word for average. So averaging these numbers together. All right, data set X is 5, 9, 9, and 13. And Y is 5, 9, 9, 13, and 27. There's 2 ways you can really do this. One, you don't actually have to do any math. It's more about understanding the concept of average or means on a really deep level that you can answer it without doing any math. If you don't feel as confident in that and you want to do the math, that's fine. We want you to get this answer right. So we're going to do what works best for you. Okay, so when we're looking at these 2 data sets, they start off exactly the same. They start off 5, 9, 9, and 13. So if this 27 were not there, their means would be the same. They would be identical, mean being the average. The average of those data sets would be the same. But you have this 27, so they're not going to be the same. So right off the bat, when it says they're equal, no. And this one's saying there's not enough information to compare the means. We can take the average of 4 numbers and 5 numbers. There's enough information. D is out. So we're just wanting to know if it's greater or less than. If X, the average, the mean of the data set of X is greater than or less than the mean of this. The only difference is this number 27. Because 27 is larger than the other largest number, 13, it is going to raise the average. Always. Higher numbers raise the average. If this was a lower number, if it was down here, if we didn't have 27, if the difference was a number 1 down here, it would lower the average. Always. Think about it in terms of grades. And you can see, how this works. It's like, let's say if you have 2 students that, they have matching scores as it goes along. And then, okay, at this point, their grade is the same. And then there comes a test, and this person gets a 50, and this person gets a 95. What's going to happen to their grades? This person's grade, is it going to go up? No, that 50 is going to bring that average down. This 95, is that going to bring it down? No, of course not. It's going to bring it up. So even though from this point up, they were the same, this person is going to have the better grade overall because that 95 brought the average up, that 50 brought the average down. That's just the way it works. So you don't technically have to average them together, but you can. And there's nothing wrong with it if you're not feeling confident on that and you just want to average them so you get it. Totally fine. So let's average them and let's see what this is. 5, 9, 9, and 13. If we add those together, let's see, that's 18, and 18 there is 36. And since there are 4 datum in that data set, 36 divided by 4 is equal to 9. So the mean of that is 9. This one, we got 5, 9, 9, and 13. We already know that adds up to 36. And then we add 27 on it. That adds up to 63. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 datum in that data set. So I'm going to divide by 5 to get the mean. And 63 divided by 5 is 12 3/5. Yes, 12 3/5. Sorry, it's a long day. Didn't get enough sleep last night. Sorry about that. So yes, our means here are 12 3/5 and 9. So we can absolutely see that the mean of data set Y is greater than X. X is less than Y. So let's look at our options here. And these are the only 2 that are saying greater than or less than. And there it is. The mean of data set X is less than the mean of data set Y. That is my answer. Again, whichever way you choose to do it is fine. It doesn't matter. All we care about is that you get the right answer. Right? Right. Be sure to check out my math-related merch on Spreadshop or Etsy, links down below. And if you found this helpful or useful in any way, please help me help others. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.